Hi, this is amazing Ken. I love PowerQuery. Now let's take a look. This video is going to share with you how to use the merge query to achieve something that we used to use VLookup to achieve, right? Such as, right, we want to locate the customer name for this customer ID, right? So you can see that customer ID 10, the customer name is Kedai Abu, right? So how to find that? Let's head over to this, right? So I have this data here, and I'm going to convert this into a format table, and I'm going to give them a name. Where is the sales table, right? I have give that a name. Same goes to this. I'm going to give that a name, and after that I'm going to load this into a Power Query, right? So I click on this from table under data tab, get and transform from table and range. Okay, so basically this is already loaded into that, right? So I have two query. Prior to that, I have one, so I just delete this. So I'm just deleting this. This is how we delete a query, and then here I want to give them a name for this query. And I also loaded a customer name just like what they did earlier. So now I completed one, right? So now I select the sales and I hit on this merge query. Merge query. And over here I choose customer and I'll select the customer ID and customer ID, right? So just selecting this and click OK. And I have a customer and this is customer name. So I click on this, select the customer name, click OK, and I move this over here. And for this, I right click and remove it. Yes, that's it. I got all the name right here. And that is how we use merge query at its simplest form. Hey, thank you very much. Right, you have just learned how to use Power Query on merge queries. So give a try, right? Thank you very much. Remember, you think amazing and believe you are amazing and you can do amazing things. And PowerQuery is a tool to help you do amazing things. Thank you. I wish you well.